Hi, I'm Atul Joshi, and today I'm going to introduce you to the G2 Reach Truck, which is the latest product offering from Heili. Heili is the China's #1 forklift manufacturer, and we, being dealers, want to present this forklift reach truck to your industries in UAE. The G2 Reach Truck basically has a very good lifting carriage with backrest. This is a specially designed lifting carriage with backrest. It only tilts, the forks are the only tilting part of that lifting carriage. The rest of the mast does not move. This is a safety feature incorporated within the G2 Reach Truck. It has a triplex mast, and the mast has only 3mm gaps. This has been done for providing stability to the mast. So during lifting and moving the loads at heights, there is very less movement on the mast. The forks that are provided on this truck are 1220 mm long. So these are suitable for both Euro pallets as well as the food pallets of 1300 mm. If you notice at the bottom of the truck, there are stabilizers that are provided. When the truck is traveling on uneven surfaces, these bars will provide stability to the truck and prevent any kind of accidents. The truck has been fitted with Gates hoses made in USA. The hoses that we are using are flame retardant hoses, which are of highest quality. The truck has been fitted with proximity sensors also. These proximity sensors are basically helping the truck in the movement. When the forks are moving up and down, it reduces the speed of the truck of the movement, so the forks don't crash on the ground. When the 3 sections are completely moved out, when it is moving from the 3rd section to the 2nd section, the forks don't crash during that time. So these proximity sensors are inbuilt to provide safety and comfort while operating the truck. It is fitted with an Eternity battery with 4 years warranty. The first 2 years is completely free replacement, and the balance 2 years are on pro rata basis. And what we have done specially for you is Hala has already included a 2-year AMC contract for these batteries, which will be carried out by Eternity on our behalf at your site. The front and the back wheels are polyurethane wheels. The polyurethane wheels are best suited for all the different kind of warehouse surfaces that you have. And all these 3 wheels are now connected with electromagnetic brakes. When the truck stops, normally in a normal reach truck, there is a runaway situation. But in this truck, within 2 seconds, the truck will stop when the electromagnetic brakes are engaged. So there is no runaway situation. So the reach truck will not go and crash into the racking or crash into loads that are placed behind the truck in case. If you notice around the truck, there are cooling fins provided at different places on the truck. These cooling fins are basically used for keeping the truck cool even in the hottest of operating conditions. When your truck is operating inside a warehouse, outside a warehouse, these cooling fins, and there are fans connected to the cooling fins. So basically it's helping to keep the whole reach truck very cool. It has a very comfortable seat with safety belt. The seat can be adjusted forward, back, and even the angles of the seat can be adjusted according to the operator's comfort. If you notice the steering of the reach truck, it is a very small diameter steering, and this is basically provided so when the operator is operating the steering, that's what is going to do continuously when he's operating the truck. It doesn't fatigue his shoulders, so it is for comfort of the operator. The next function is the steering auto centering function. This auto centering function is a convenience provided to the operator. So in case he doesn't know where the position of his wheel is while operating the truck, he can just press these 2 switches and the truck will bring the rear driving wheel to its original position. It is fitted with LED lights. So LED lights are less power consuming and provide very bright light while operating in the night. If you notice next to the steering, there is a large LCD monitor. This LCD monitor is basically providing all the information to the operator, like the speed of the machine, like how much the battery has been consumed, what is this traveling speed of the forklift, what are the working hours that has worked for, what are the different error codes. If there is an error in the forklift, it will show the error code, and then he can check in his book and see whether he can rectify it or not. And if you notice, the best part on this truck is the joystick control. It's an intuitive joystick control. So for lifting, you have to just move the joystick back. For putting the forks down, you have to just move the joystick in the forward. Accordingly, also for moving the mast forward and back, he has to move it left or right depending on what he wants to do. There is an emergency shut-off switch also provided on the truck, and this, in case any accidents, possibilities of accidents are going to occur, the operator can immediately press it down and the whole truck shuts down completely. There is a fan type overhead guard given on this truck that is providing convenience to the operator of having a very good view where he is placing the loads. Thank you.